So the next topic we are going to see in Amba ISB bus is two important things in Amba ISB bus. Okay, this is somewhat related to data bus. Okay, we know that in Amba ISB we have two separate data buses.
One output, we are showing two arrows 0 to 31 and 64 to 32.
I think you are confused here. The data which is coming here, it will process and it will send the same data here. It's not like that. This is for write operation. Master is writing some data into the slave. This is write operation. Suppose master wants to read the data from this AHB slave. During that time, what is the case? That is this side. You don't mingle with these two cases here. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell here is we don't have control over the incoming data. The data which is coming, we should we should try to receive that one. We should not miss any data, right? So in input side we don't have any control, but you just look at the output side. In output side, anyway, this my HB slave will going to give the data. Okay, so it's having control over the data. If it don't have data, it can give some control signals so that the master will wait. Yesterday we discussed about those things,
Okay.
right? So that in output side, here we have wider wider data bus in the HB slave side, but in the case of master side we have narrow bus. So we have to give the data according to that narrow data bus. That's why we are using this logic here.
Okay, since we are using this logic and we are getting, so during the receiving side, na,
Yeah.
if we have data present only, okay, the data will be present simultaneously on all the 64 bits.
Where here we have narrow bus.
Right.
Right side. What is that?
Uh, in the input side,
Okay.
before entering into the slave, the input side will wait for 64 bits to come from output side, from the outer world. First it will gather 64 bits,
Yeah.
32,
Right.
32.
Right.
Then it will give those 64 bits simultaneous to inside the slave.
Right.
And slave will process those all simultaneously and give in the output.
No. Again, I think you are in confused. This is for write operation. Master is writing some data. During that time, how it will take the incoming data. For that, they are explaining in this side. This is output side. Both will not happen simultaneously.
I didn't mean that.
Hmm.
Means before writing data inside the slave,
Okay.
in the output it will collect
64 bits.
Okay,
Six.
64 bits, na?
Right.
Then it will enter the whole 64 bits inside the HV slave.
Right.
Slave will process all those bits and give output as 64 bits, 0 to 31 and 632 to 64.
Right.
Okay. After that we are implementing our logic that whether which buses we need to process out, then 0 to 31 or 31 to 32 to 64.
Here.
Alright?
Here. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So these two are important scenario regarding the data bus in Amba HB bus. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the important concept in Amba HB, that is split transaction. How the split transfer is happening. What are all the main steps in split transaction? Yesterday we discussed about split, right?
Yes.
The difference between retry and split.
Yeah.
Now we are going to see about the sequences. What the sequence of the split transfer. In Amba ASB we don't have this feature. Here we have this feature. Okay. Okay. The last subtopic we are going to see in this Amba ASB is arbitration. We already discussed that what is the need of arbitration. Amba ASB supports multiple masters. So at a time so many masters may request bus access, but anyway at last one master will going to get that bus access depending upon some arbitrational.